Look at Daisy's getting a bath. You want one? Good girl.
Good girl, Daisy.
Daisy, good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, I had a cup. Shoot, here it is. Here.
There you go.
Oh, nice. Don't run. It's not hot on my pads.
I'm sorry, Daisy. Alright, let's do some shampoo.
Yeah, squirt that all over. I use a lot of it. Oh my god, so nice out.
This won't hurt her eyes, will it?
Nope, I washed Julia's face with it and it doesn't bug her eyes. Although who could tell she hates taking a bath,
I
so.
don't really know how to wash a dog's face. Yeah.
Just put soap in your hand and then you go like this around their face.
Yeah. Good girl, Daisy. You are such a good girl. You're just taking a bath.
She's being really cooperative.
A little more soap. Hello. A little more. Then we wash it off and you're done. And then we dry you off.
So much easier to give her a bath than hairy dogs.
Okay, come here, Daisy. We're gonna wash it off. We're gonna wash it off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now. Right now.
Do you want the hose?
Yeah. Come here.